Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning, Miss Bening. How are you today? I hope everything will be fine. Okay, today I'm here to explain about clean water. Do you know what clean water is? If not, I'll explain how to create a sustainability clean or drinking water system in a smart city. What interests of things are applied in the system. How each of independent subsystem can be integrated to create safe and secure public space in the city, and give clear examples with sufficient data. Okay, as we know, water is the source of life. All living things need water for their survival. For example, plants. Plants need water to be used as a photosynthesis process so that plants do not wither. Then, animals. Animals need water to drink. There are also animals that live inside water itself, like fish, crab, and many others. And humans. What use water for humans? Use water of human are very many. First, for drinking. Human needs drink and maintain at least 8 liters of water in their body every day. Then, to maintain clean life such as bathing and wastage days, then water is also need for other needs. For example, the needs of factory waste. From there, we know how important the function of water is in the survival of living things on Earth. But what if the water used in daily life is dirty or unclean water? Of course, it will cause many symptoms or diseases that attack human. First, diarrhea. The disease that will arise as a result of consuming polluted water is diarrhea. Diarrhea is caused by bacteria and parasites that are carried in the food or drinks we consume. Diarrhea will be characterized by watery and liquid stools. Therefore, it's important to use clean water. But what if the water to be used is already dirty or polluted? Well, I'm here to explain how to create a clean water system. The data I take use the clean water system used by smart city. First, I will explain how to clean water systems works in a smart city. Smart water system, much like smart energy system, use the Internet of Things or IoT, enable sensors to collect real-time data. This enables the optimization of water facilities by detecting leaks or monitoring how water is being disturbed across the network and allows people to make more informed decisions about water management. For example, this smart sensor can detect leaks in water pipes and immediately alert engineers to take action and mitigate the consequence. This is hugely valuable considering that it has been estimated that 3 billion liters of water is lost each day in England and Wales through leaks in infrastructure. This data is even more valuable when shared. For example, watershed management teams can use predictive technology to gain insights into when and which are areas likely to flood before this actually occurs. By sharing this information, transport departments can then preemptively warn people about this and divert traffic accordingly. Predictive intelligence enabled by Internet of Things or IoT and big data is going to have a huge impact on cities. saving times and conserve resources. Real-time water management is leading to huge efficiency savings. Last year, UK or United Kingdom utility sought wastewater as Hitachi Consulting to optimize its water operation by integrating IoT solutions into the utility network. So, it could manage its operation more efficiently using near real-time data or analytics. Using cloud technology, Hitachi is helping the company to manage the reliability of its network and to improve the service it delivers to customers. These benefits are extended to consumers too. Smart water technology is allowing consumers to monitor their usage remotely via application. It can tell them when there is a leak, allowing people to resolve the problem much sooner and prevent water from being washed unnecessarily. Smart water devices are becoming more and more popular, giving consumers the power of to monitor their own water consumptions and make decisions based on data they are seeing, helping them to use water more sustainability as well as cutting costs. As we strive to make the most of the opportunities available to us through technology to become sustainable, it's important that we do not forget to include the resources which, after all, we physically cannot live without. Upgrading water system with smart technology will not only help manage the increased demand for mass urbanization, but will help to reduce the amount of water waste and make our consumption more efficient. Okay, second, I will explain about Internet of Things or IoT. Internet of Things used for clean water system. Smart water solution use IoT technology to monitor and measure water quality, conserve water supplies, and enable cities to function efficiently. efficiently. In this article, we outline four examples of Libeligium plug and sense can be used for smart water application. The following example demonstrates several implementation of the technology, and we outline how it can be used to presence of chemical rivers in water source. The presence of the chemicals may be due to runoff, agriculture, manufacturing, landfill, and other sources of pollution. Libelium what smart water solution can detect a wide range of chemicals and contaminants in water. The measurements taken by the sensor can be transmitted back to the cloud using 4G, LoRi, or Wi-Fi. The ultra-low power water draw of these units also means they can operate in a remote location running on solar power. Smart water Internet of Things solution can give a indication of drinking water quality and alert authorities in the event the quality drops and to an unacceptable level. In Scotland alone, 7% or 500 billions households rely on private water supplies. 12% of the Republic of Ireland's population source their water from private supplies. Despite modern mains water infrastructure, a significant number of households through rely on private supplies that require rigorous monitoring, which is where IoT smart water solutions can help. And the last, I'm gonna explain about how it's the independent subsystem can be integrated to create safe and public space in the city? Well, there are four steps to create a safe and secure public space in the city. The first is accessibility. What is accessibility? Accessibility of a place can be seen from the connectivity with the surrounding environment both visually and physically. A good public space can be easily accessed and traversed and has good visibility from a distance or a short distance. In addition, the availability of parking space and also adjacent to transportation is an accessibility consideration. Okay, the second step is comfort. Did you guys know about comfort? However, the key of the success of public space is the comfort and appearance of the itself space. Comfort includes perspectives related to safety, cleanliness, and the availability of bench to be able to sit so that visitor can feel comfortable. The appearance of space is important in order to give an impression to the user of public space. Okay, next step, the third step is activities. Did you know activities? What is activities? Activities are that are created can provide a reason why people need to come to public space and are expected to return to visit. When there are no activities that can be done, there will be empty space so that public space do not function properly. And the last step is sociability. Are you guys know about sociability? Okay, I'm gonna explain about sociability, which is sociability is one of the most difficult aspects to achieve, but when this can be achieved, it is an added value of the public space itself, a condition where everyone greets each other, whether friends, neighbors, relatives, and even feel comfortable interacting with strangers, thus a growing sense of belonging from each individual to a space or community in public space grow, which in turn fosters social activity. Okay, that's about independent subsystem can be integrated to create safe and secure public space in the city. Okay guys, I think that's all the point that I can explain about clean water in smart cities. Hopefully, with, with that I have said will make you understand how important clean water is in our survival. Water is a living and how to clean water system work used by some smart cities, such as Barcelona, have also implemented such a system, and it can be seen that Barcelona is a beautiful city with healthy citizens like Internet of Things used for clean water system. Smart water system use solution is like IoT technology to monitor and measure water quality. Okay, I think that's all for me. Good morning everyone and thank you very much. Goodbye.